The clock is ticking. ONPASSIVE's relaunch is imminent. ONPASSIVE has been generating a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. The long-awaited relaunch is on the horizon. Gursminder, a prominent figure, shared exciting news. He spoke with Mr. Ash Mufareh, the founder. The relaunch will happen in less than 6 months. This announcement has energized the entire community. After much anticipation, we have a clearer timeline. It's time to get ready for the official launch. The relaunch signifies the beginning of ONPASSIVE's next chapter. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the relaunch date. But before we jump in, please remember to subscribe, like, and make a comment below. Thanks. Beating the odds. ONPASSIVE's vision for success. We all know that the internet is a crowded marketplace. Countless businesses are vying for attention. It's a highly competitive landscape. The truth is, launching a successful online business is tough. Many fail. In fact, the failure rate is shockingly high. I've been in the internet marketing world for a long time. I've seen it all. Sadly, the statistics don't lie. A staggering 99% of internet businesses ultimately fail. Think about that for a moment. It's a sobering thought. Building a thriving online business is incredibly challenging. But here's the good news. ONPASSIVE is different. ONPASSIVE is not just another company trying to make a quick buck. ONPASSIVE is built on a foundation of innovation, automation, and a commitment to empowering its members. ONPASSIVE aims to be in the 1% that makes it. The company is driven by a desire to change the game. ONPASSIVE provides its members with the tools and resources they need to succeed in the digital world. This includes cutting-edge marketing automation tools, artificial intelligence, and a supportive community. ONPASSIVE is committed to doing things differently. The company is focused on long-term success, both for itself and its members. New tools, new opportunities, OBLES and OTRIM. ONPASSIVE is all about innovation. Recently, ONPASSIVE unveiled 2 exciting new tools, OBLES and OTRIM. OBLES is a unique crowdfunding platform. It connects those in need with those who want to help. OTRIM is a powerful URL trimming tool. It shortens URLs and provides valuable analytics. These tools show ONPASSIVE's commitment to innovation. OBLES and OTRIM are valuable additions to the ONPASSIVE ecosystem, empowering members to make a difference and optimize their online presence. Section 5. The future of ONPASSIVE digital marketing strategies and growth. The world of multi-level marketing, or MLM, is not a business model that we in ONPASSIVE have associated ourselves with. We are a new approach that is constantly evolving. ONPASSIVE, with its innovative approach and focus on automation, is poised to disrupt the industry. Despite the challenges and competition, ONPASSIVE has garnered significant interest and continues to grow its community. The upcoming relaunch is expected to be a game-changer. It will provide a platform for ONPASSIVE to showcase its full potential. The company is not a MLM but a company that provides digital marketing tools built on a foundation of empowerment and support. ONPASSIVE provides its members with the tools and training they need to build successful businesses. The company's commitment to automation is particularly noteworthy. ONPASSIVE leverages cutting-edge technology to automate many of the tasks which used to be associated with MLM. This allows members to focus on what matters most, building relationships and sharing the ONPASSIVE opportunity. Despite the challenges and uncertainties, the future of ONPASSIVE looks bright. The company's innovative approach to internet marketing, combined with its commitment to its members, has the potential to reshape the industry and create lasting success for those who embrace the opportunity. For more information about ONPASSIVE, watch Marty and Chris's live. Their link is in the description below. Thank you, and have a great day.